Hello, welcome back to another video on astrology. In this video, I'll be talking to you about the beginner's course on astrology that I'm going to start on 21st November this month, the coming Sunday, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. What you see here is the course code beginners in English 05. It means that we are doing this for the fifth time. So let's go back to the basics. The astrology course starts on 21st November, Sunday, the coming Sunday, 2021, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All the sessions will be on Zoom, and it's going to be interactive lessons, and it's going to be 2-hour session using animation on iPad also, 80 minutes theory and 40 minutes practicals. In case you miss a session, you don't have to worry at all. You can watch the video recording and always catch up. To join the course, please send an email to astroekdk@gmail.com with the subject BGNR-English-05 and also send us a WhatsApp message 98410417113. In case you want to know the course content, the same email ID is enough, astroekdk@gmail.com. Subject, just add content. For many years, I was teaching astrology in the classroom environment. You see that I'm using here a digital whiteboard. And during the COVID times, we stopped doing it and then switched over to Zoom. So we are now using Zoom with the iPad as the whiteboard, the digital board. We now have about 50 to 100 students per batch, and that makes it even more interesting because it is more interactive and you get a lot of chances to discuss with your classmates. So now the question is, are you ready? As the old saying goes, when the student is ready, the master will appear. By now, I'm sure most of you have been spending lots of time on astrology, watching videos and reading blogs. And you may not be very sure about whether you should join a beginner's session like the one which we are going to start on 21st November. So just have a good look at this chart in front of you. A person born on 25th January 1962, 6:30 a.m. Chennai. The person is born in Uttara Falguni and the Rashi is Simha Rashi. All you have to do is, without using software, without using a panchang, without using any other reference material, you got to find at least 8 mistakes. Those who find 10 mistakes, extremely good. In case you find the 11th mistake, fantastic. But please be honest. And as many mistakes as you find and send me an email, I'm going to give you a discount. Let's say you find 1 mistake, then you get 1% discount. 2 mistakes, 2% discount, and so on. That means if you get 10 points, 10 mistakes, then you get a 10% discount. In case you manage to find only 5 mistakes, then you should consider joining this course. So let's get back to the basics. One more question to go. So now you see in front of you a Rashi chart and a Navamsha chart. Rashi, I have called it as D1, which is the usual method, and Navamsha is D9. It is with reference to the Rashi chart, we will have to place the planets in the Navamsha chart. So we have done the same thing here. Mercury is in Karkataka, but we have placed it in Aries. Is this right? Have we placed Sun properly? Have we placed Venus properly in the Navamsha? Moon properly and Mars properly? Everything is wrong except one. And once again, you should not use any other method to find this in terms of referring to a software or a panchang or any other, don't ask anyone else. Just try to do it yourself. If you are able to find the odd one out, you have definitely a very good astrologer already. This is the last and final, the third one. You have a chart in front of you. We have the ascendant at a particular point. By referring to the ascendant, can you say whether it is sunrise time or noon time or midnight time or sunset time? So please send your answers to my email ID astroekdk@gmail.com. This one is a very simple and elementary question. So if you do not know how to answer this question, you must definitely consider joining this course. The classes will be 16 sessions, each session 2 hours, which means 16 2s are 32 hours of learning to do. And therefore, the video will be your course material. So the recordings will always be available on internet. Apart from that, you will have to buy these 2 books, Brihat Parashara Horashastra Volume 1 and 2 and Bhrigu Sutram. All the 3 books will cost less than 1,000 rupees, and it's worth, because these books are the foundation of astrology. With regard to eligibility to join the beginners course, all you need to have is passion for learning Vedic astrology from a guru, speak and write English, and make sure you are free on Sundays 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You should watch the recordings of the previous sessions in case you missed out a session. Only then you can catch up. You should be interactive in the class. That's the whole purpose of our Zoom meetings. You should possess the following books, Bhrigu Sutram and Brihat Parashara Horashastra. Please avoid buying more books while you're going through this course. You should interact between your classmates to speed up the learning process. For that, we will create groups on Facebook and WhatsApp. So let's meet up on November 21st, Sunday, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The meeting ID and the Zoom passcode will be emailed to you once you have signed up for the course. So let's get started.